Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and safe and sound. I could not film anything for you people as we all as nation are facing quite tough time, and I don't want to comment on that, but definitely I was not allowed from my family to step out or go any far to show you people my city, my area. So then I thought that I should speak to you people about a book and give you a book review of my one of favorite books. So as I have already told you that I have read many books because I read a lot, but there are a few books which are quite near to my heart. I don't know about others, but whatever I am going through, God guides me accordingly. Sometimes through intuition, sometimes I read something on social media, and the other time, any friend or colleague shares something just related to my own story and my confusion, which literally helps me to, you know, improve my situation or think about the positivity. And yes, many times I get a book to find solution of my issues or which can guide me well. So a year ago I had visited one of the mega bookstores in Islamabad. It can be called a book hub because it contained thousands of books. And I was just, randomly looking at different books, and suddenly this book caught my eye, and I just bought it after reading its preface. And yes, this is a book. It is written by Yasmin Mujahid. This is a book which I needed at that time. This book brings you closer to your creator. It removes all your worries and strengthens your faith. Definitely, you believe in God. That is a fact that you follow your religion, but you also start believing in will of Allah, and that is very important. When you leave your worries, troubles to Him, and set yourself free from invisible shackles of this world. And yes, this book carries wonderful contents like why do people have to leave each other? People leave, but do they return? On filling the inner hole and coming home. And love, hardships, everything it contains can help you in whatever phase of life you are going through. Mine was this, and it was one of my favorite topics in this book. People leave, but do they return? Living is hard, losing is harder. So, few weeks ago, I asked the question, why do people have to leave each other? The answer took me into some of my life's deepest realization and struggles. However, it has also led me to wonder. After people leave, do they ever return? After something we love is taken from us, does it ever come back? Is loss permanent or just a means for a higher purpose? Is loss the end itself or a temporary cure for our heart's ailments? But when you read the next paragraph, second one, you will find the answer. There is something amazing about this life. The very same worldly attribute that causes us pain is also what gives us relief. Nothing here lasts. What does that mean? It means that the breathtakingly beautiful rose in my wall will wither tomorrow. It means that my youth will neglect me. But it also means that the sadness I feel today will change tomorrow. My pain will die, my laughter won't last forever, but neither will my tears. We say this life is not perfect, and it is not. It is not perfectly good, but it also is not perfectly bad either. So, the crux of this paragraph is whatever your condition is, no matter how tough your life is right now, it will be, you know, it will be removed. Your tension, your troubles will be removed. But in the same way, if you are wealthy, if you are rich, if you are young, this will not last either. So time actually, passes by so fast that we do not realize it. but we should be grateful of Allah Ta'ala for having so many blessings. At the same time, we should try to, have fear of losing them. So it's not like that you should be greedy or you should be oppressive, but or obsessive. We should just try to stay calm that all this is in hands of Allah Ta'ala. There is another quotable quote which is, we always ask God to cure us of our hardships, but we never stop to consider that our hardships are curing us. Sometimes bad times come to save us, to protect us. So I strongly recommend that book. I really want you people to read it. I hope I would have done little justice to, explain or describe or introduce this book to you. This is one of my, favorite books, and I read it very often. I have not completed this book. I did not read the whole chapters, but whenever I, have time, and I must take out some time every day regularly to read one of the chapter from this book, or half chapter, or any translation of any ayah, because it contains translation of many Quranic ayats, so and verses. So that's why I read it, and it really it really helps me to find way to deal with hard times if I'm going through any. So thank you so much for watching this. you know Try to stay subscribed and do not unsubscribe my channel. And secondly that kindly share it with your friends and family, and ask them to join my channel as well. Thank you so much.